about 2 years ago.
All the red bits, that's all.
And they've grown out so far, it's ridiculous. So his natural hair, is at the root.
This is all my corpse hair.
So this is how I'm repairing this one. I'm going to fix this lock here that is thinner so that it can be similar to its sibling. Pretty good. I'm liking the stinger you got going on here. Home rolling. Setting the lock into place. And with this one, I'm going to be repairing the end. This is part of an extension that was already created and installed years ago. So I'm using a portion of it as if it's thread, and then using his natural hair. But I want him to have a little bit of time to cure. Mature like fine wine. And this is interlocking the lock, or I'm looping it onto itself in order to create a core for the hairs to lock against, and also to set the lock in a set place, in a set position. In this case, they're going to be pointed a little more forward. Is that better, Ted? Yes, yes. So this one was thin right in here, and then this one was the little scrawny thin section right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm spraying down the locks that were repaired with the lock accelerating spray manufactured by us under the name Scalp Strips. You can find that on Amazon. When the locks are twisted against each other, they're being their brother's keeper. So they're taking care of one another. Just like I would hope all of humanity to do. And you want it hanging right here, correct? Oh, do you know who this is?
Chadness from Hell Yeah. Cool guys.
When we got locks and bucks and stuff like that, we can do Jazzy Braidz. Come on.